I stay down with my dream and stay focused.
Everybody, it's Chef Bantu again. I'm giving you guys a meal under 20 bucks. This is for my fellas been stuck in the house on lockdown during quarantine. Don't know what to make the missus, don't know what to make the kids. I got you. Chicken Alfredo, all under 20 bucks. You're gonna love it. Come check it out. I also forgot to mention, you guys, I'm gonna be trying my new Instant Pot that I got for Christmas Eve. I'm gonna try to use my saute vegetable portion on this guy and see what it can do. We got some penne pasta right here, under $3 that I got from my local grocery store. I also got my Alfredo sauce. I like Clasico because I can add a little bit of my ricotta cheese and a little bit of black pepper, spice it up. I always keep frozen veggies in the freezer for times like this. You know, always get your vegetables inside any meal. And you want to get you some skinless, boneless chicken. Right now, I got that in my brine juice inside my refrigerator, but you're going to check that out a little bit later. This is a very simple brine with 3 cups of water, a tablespoon of salt, and a tablespoon of Italian seasonings such as parsley, basil, and thyme. I usually let this guy sit for 1 to 3 hours, but if you're in a pinch, 30 minutes to an hour is a great way to brine. I usually try not to ever skip my brine process because this is the process that keeps the chicken very juicy, and you don't have to saturate it with a bunch of seasonings. So right now I'm creating my start for my pan-seared chicken, and it's the base that you want to do to give you that nice golden crust, which is my cornstarch, which is a tablespoon, teaspoon of Italian seasoning, cayenne pepper, and garlic salt, and just for taste, I do a teaspoon of black pepper. Put the lid over like that. That nice golden crust that I was telling you guys about. So before I put my Alfredo sauce in the pot, I like to make me like a little pre-made seasoning so I can easily throw in the salt, Italian seasoning, parsley, basil, thyme, peppercorn, and garlic sauce also in it. You don't want to put this in here right away. You're going to let it wait. You're going to make sure your pot's on like a nice 2 because you don't want to burn your Alfredo because Alfredo sauce can burn. People say not to put water inside your jars because it saturates the flavor, but this is why I do my seasoning. Whatever was lost in the water to try to get the last of it, go ahead and replace it with your seasonings. Then I'm also tell you guys another trick that I put inside of it. You're gonna come back to when it's like a nice medium heat. That's so you can feel this radiating from the pot. Then you're gonna add your seasonings and your ricotta. You should start seeing that. That's just an indicator that it's starting to get heated. There's little bubbles popping up. You don't want it overly boiling, but that little bubble indicators. So then, I have my trick and trait. You don't have to do this, but this turns, in my opinion, turns your basic Alfredo. And that's about 2 cups of ricotta cheese to a nice, dreamy Alfredo. Nice and creamy, super flavorful. You're gonna mix that guy in there. Blends of seasonings. You're gonna do 1 spurt like that. Mix it in. Mix it in. And you don't want to just put all your seasonings in at once because then it's gonna just be in one spot. So what you want to do is nice little tap. Mix it in. I'm gonna do install my frozen veggies inside my new Instant Pot. Tablespoon of olive oil. Chicken bouillon. Salt and pepper for taste. Close and press saute and start. It sauteed the perfect vegetables in less than 5 minutes. It was so best. So good, so good. So now to make this meal completely perfect, and I told you guys all under 20, we're gonna do our own French bread, garlic bread style. So what I'm gonna do is take these buns, roast buns that I got here, and I'm going to go ahead and make a garlic paste. You're gonna go ahead and cut off the end of your garlic, put a little bit of olive oil, and you're gonna close that guy up. Put it in the oven for 400. Or I say about 30 minutes. I will see you guys back in 30 minutes. Butter, parsley, dried parsley. I'm about to go ahead and put a little bit of salt to end this up. Then you're gonna go ahead and put these guys in there in your oven on broil for no longer than 2 to 3 minutes. And here you have it, my version of your chicken Alfredo, under 20 for the fellas, you know, wine and dine, and be fancy for your girl. I'm gonna show you the first bite. Let's see, you know me, I like chicken, so. But the taste is all on. What you're brining your chicken makes it very, very juicy, so you get that good, nice, tasty, juicy chicken with the crust. The Alfredo sauce with your nice blends, the cheeses, that ricotta just, Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
You notice, I stayed down with my dream and stayed focused.